try to not go crazy. I don't want to spend like $1,000 today, I don't think. That's a whole lot of glass. Okay, listen, hear me out, hear me out. I had to. $1,200 worth of glass. What is up, you guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Mackenzie. If you're not new, thank you for coming back. So, as you can see, I'm already in the car, just about out the door. We're going glass shopping. So I actually need a substantial amount of glass now. So it can only mean one thing. We've got to go to Toy Town Stained Glass. So the biggest, best stained glass store that I personally know of, Toy Town Stained Glass in Winchington, Massachusetts. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to be doing some glass shopping. So if that sounds like something you're into, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're only about 10 minutes away from Toy Town Stained Glass, but I just wanted to check in with you guys really quick because I've gotten a few new subscribers since the last time I come out here. So first things first, Toy Town Stained Glass does not sell anything online. You have to come and see them in person. And listen, I know that's a bummer. I know there are so many of you guys that watch from all over the world, but if you're near Massachusetts, it's worth the trip. It is truly the best stained glass store that I know of anywhere near me. And like I often say, even if I was like 4 hours there and 4 hours back, I would still drive to come and see them. It is one of the best selections, affordable prices. The owners are amazing. I absolutely love it. It's always such a good time coming and shopping at Toy Town Stained Glass. So like I said, they don't sell online. You gotta come and see them in person. And number two, I'm just super excited. I'm literally so excited. I wish I had you guys like here with me so we could talk about how excited I am. We haven't been out here in forever. It literally feels like a year since I've seen them. I don't know how many months it's been, but it's been a while. I'll count and see when the last time I came out here was. But I need glass. I'm gonna try to not go crazy. I don't wanna spend like $1,000 today, I don't think, but I do need a little bit of glass. So I'm gonna try to keep it reined in. We just drove by my favorite little convenience store, that cute little cabin store that we always stop at, but we're gonna stop there on my way back. That way I can get gas if I need it and get a snack. And so my iced coffee doesn't melt, because I was stopping on my way out to Debbie and Mark's, and then my iced coffee would always be melted by the time I'm done because I'm so distracted by glass shopping and talking with them. It's so much fun. Okay, so we're only 7 minutes away. My heart is literally pounding. I'm so excited. So I will see you guys at Toy Town Stained Glass in just a few seconds. Look where we are. Hello. Alright guys, as always, give you a look through the shop. I know you guys love to see everything. Ooh, that sun. Alright guys, so this is downstairs. If you guys ever took a class down at Toy Town, this is what it would look like. So there's a whole bunch of people working on all of their different projects. This is what Debbie's working on. Everybody's working away, which is so much fun. This is what I missed. Isn't this genius? So cool. So smart. Absolutely love this. I figured you guys would probably want something like that too. Look at all the grinders, light boxes. We got Taurus back there. It's so much fun. Oh yeah, but like I was saying, this is what I miss. I didn't get to take any classes with anybody. I learned everything by myself in this kind of atmosphere where everybody's working together and learning. So much fun. Fun, fun, fun. This is what Mark's working on. Isn't that cute? That black and white.
You know where to go?
And then he's gonna sandblast some words out of it. not one of my videos unless I have to pop on here looking like a crazy person. Okay, so this video might seem a little chaotic, so I just wanted to give some background as to why, if you can tell. So normally with these larger shopping trips at Toy Town, I plan them out like at least a week in advance, but it had been 10 months since I went out there. I talked to Debbie just the night before, and I hadn't talked to her in quite some time, so I just wanted to get out there and get some shopping done. She also had a class going on, and she wanted me to meet everybody that was taking the class. And normally when I go out there and do my shopping trips, we try to plan it for either a day where she's closed or when we know there's not going to be a lot of people, because it can already get so crazy with just me doing my shopping. So I was a little distracted by meeting everybody, talking to everybody, doing my own shopping, putting all the glass away, all that stuff. So if it just seems a little extra crazy, that's why. I apologize for that. And like I said, I got to meet everybody that was in that class that day, which was super fun. It was so cool to get to actually see what it's like to be in a stained glass class atmosphere, since I never got that. So yeah, it was super fun. Everybody was really, really nice. It was awesome. But just saying, the video is a little chaotic. That's why. I'm sorry. I'll pop on here if I need to explain like what's going on, if it's super confusing. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay guys, now let's get into some actual shopping. I've got tons of damage to do. I know I said I was going to try to keep it reined in, but I just can't help myself. Alright, so I'm looking through this section right here because this has some of that new Van Gogh in it. Hopefully you guys can see okay. So this is the standard Van Gogh. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about when I say Van Gogh, that's the patterning of it. So it looks almost like frozen ice or something. I don't know how else to describe it. It's absolutely stunning. There you go. So that's the classic Van Gogh patterning. And this is the new one, which is really neat. And they came out with some stunning colors. That's a perfect side-by-side difference. Old Van Gogh, new. Which is so cool. Alright, we're going to leave that there. Let's see. Is this one just straight up violet? That looks like classic Van Gogh, which I'll skip just because I got the new Van Gogh. Alright, look at all this beautiful fused work. Those trees, so cute. Love the holly and the Santa. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so here's the pile I've got going so far. A good stack. So I got a whole bunch of clear iridescent. I got, I believe, hammered CD and a water glass. Then I got that classic purple iridescent. I got the Florentine, which is the sunburst. The new Van Gogh, the white. I'm excited. Super excited. Alright, let's see what Mark's already pulled out for me over here. Beautiful. I am loving this. Absolutely loving it. I think I want both of these because this is just stunning. The beautiful cuts of it too. You know what I mean? Like, yes, I love this specific glass, love this specific iridescent, but the actual cuts of it are stunning. It's the beautiful rainbow mix within both of them. I think I want both of these, the full sheets. Okay. Please. Would you guys want to see me do something like this? Again, another one of those times where I should just go live and ask you guys, but would you want to see me do a kit like this? Because I'll pick some up. It might be fun for a video to just make something kind of random. Aeroscope, an airplane kaleidoscope for stained glass. An airplane kaleidoscope. What the fuck does that even mean? That might be fun. Oh, yes. Look at this, you guys. Oh my God.
You can tell it's a wispy. It's gorgeous. So.
It's stunning. I think I want the whole thing, which I feel so bad. Sorry, guys, but.
Which they consider to be by the pound.
Do you have a paper I can use? I left my purse in the car, so I didn't worry about it.
Mark,
Maybe you don't have it long, okay?
I didn't see these.
This is
Somebody must have put them right there on accident. I didn't see them. Could I take half of each one of those?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Sorry, I didn't see them at all. Alright guys, I think those are the last couple pieces and I'm done. So, I said I wasn't gonna go crazy, but I did go a little crazy. But that's okay. I needed the glass. It's okay, try not to panic about it. I wasn't anticipating seeing so much beautiful glass, that's all. But I think we're set to go. Those are the last two. I'm gonna take half of each of those because I do believe I already have another piece of that in there. And I think I'm done. I think I'm done. We are ready to go. As you can see, I've got everything packed up in the back. That's a whole lot of glass. Okay, listen, hear me out, hear me out. So I said I wasn't gonna go crazy, but I haven't been here in so long. I had to. And on top of that, I've told you guys this before, that because I do this and so many of you guys come out to see her and shop with her, I get a discount. So every time a new person comes in and shops with her, I get a percentage of that order. So I make a commission off of the first order every new customer from me comes in and makes. Does that make sense? So money obviously saves up over time, so I got a major discount of what I spent today, and I got around $1,200 worth of glass. Mind you, the price of glass has gone up like crazy, so I'm definitely still like adjusting to that a little bit. But yeah, that's $1,200 worth of glass in the back, but I got a major discount on it thanks to you guys. So I'm super, super excited. I got some really, really beautiful glass and I'm just so grateful. I'm so grateful that I have them. I'm so glad I got to go out there. It's been 10 months since I've gone out and seen them. 10 months, which is absolutely crazy. So I'm super, super pumped. We're on our way home. So the last thing we've got to do is stop at this convenience store so I can get some snacks for the long drive home, and then I'll meet you guys back at my house. Okay guys, got plenty of snacks. Of course, I got my XXX vitamin water. I got Cowtails, Airheads, Fruit by the Foot, and of course, some beef jerky. We've got plenty of snacks for the drive because it's not a short one, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get home and see all of the glass I got because I was shopping a little bit quicker. Even though I was there for 3 hours, I was shopping quicker today just because it was just me and Mark going through everything, so he was able to pull everything out and help me get through things a lot quicker. So yeah, I'm super excited. And again, you guys, I literally just cannot say enough good, oh, hold on. I don't want anybody bitching. Seatbelts going on. I literally just cannot say enough good things about Toy Town stained glass. There's no downsides that I can see. Like I would drive hours and hours just to get there if I had to. I'm so lucky that they are only 45 minutes away from me, and every single time I go, it's an absolute treat. I love it so much. I love Debbie and Mark so much. They are amazing. So, got my snacks. We're on our way home, so I will see you guys in about 45 minutes once we get back. Okay, this is the biggest, heaviest pile, so I don't want to put this on top because there's already so much weight on all that glass already. Just gonna have to sit down there. That's a lot of glass. Okay guys, so it is getting dark out. We've got a storm coming in, hopefully a lot of snow. We've been getting a lot of rain this winter, which sucks. I live in New England. I love the snow, so hopefully we actually get a substantial amount this weekend, but you can smell it in the air. The sky is gray. Hopefully it's coming. So we've got to get this video wrapped up. Like always, we are still sticking to the splitting it into 2 different videos. So I'm going to show you guys the glass haul in a separate video and keep just the shopping in its own video because they get so long. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Just as a final wrap up, I guess, Toy Town was absolutely amazing, like it always is. Again, you have to go and shop in person, but I will link their information down below just so you can see where they are if you do want to go visit. It's absolutely worth it. I would still recommend it even if you're hours away. And like I said, just give her a call if you're looking for something specific to make sure that she has it. The selection's amazing, the prices are amazing, and like I was saying earlier, with the way that prices are drastically going up for all areas of stained glass supplies, it's comforting knowing that I have somebody I can trust like Debbie and Mark at Toy Town to make sure that I'm taken care of and that I'm not getting screwed over. I'm getting my best bang for my buck and getting taken care of. I absolutely love them. I trust them. Like I said on the way out there, there's truly no store like it. They are the best stained glass store around. I absolutely love them, absolutely recommend them. Can't say enough good things about them. So on that note, I think that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you get notified when I upload the glass haul video. Comment down below, let me know what do you want to see next, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.